It's not at all transparent. It leaves the people out of the process.
Ash Hall with the American Civil Liberties Union of Texas says the Texas Department of Public Safety's new policy isn't just ignorant, but downright dangerous.
That opens them up to discrimination, harassment, even violence.
A leaked email confirmed by KUT News and sent to CBS Austin by Equality Texas reveals a new policy in which Texans will no longer be able to change the sex on their licenses unless it's to fix a clerical error. Similar policies have already been put in place in Florida, Kansas, and Montana.
Really obvious that direction is exclusionary. It is meant to render transgender people invisible.
Hall says even more frightening is the directive to record these requests and send them to a specific email address, which they say is reminiscent of a request Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton made in 2022 to gather the same data from DPS.
I'd become very anxious, in particular about the list. For one thing, we have no idea what that list is going to be used for.
Brad Pritchett is interim CEO of the LGBTQ advocacy group Equality Texas. He says there are nearly 93,000 trans Texans, and the importance of them having driver's licenses can't be overstated.
You need your ID to drive. You need that ID to vote in Texas.
If gender markers on legal documents don't match, Hall fears it could lead to confusion or even violence.
An officer could accuse that trans woman of fraud, which is obviously not the case, but that may be how that looks to an officer.
While groups like the Trans Legal Aid Clinic of Texas say it may be best to wait to turn any court-ordered sex change documentation into Texas DPS, Pritchett still recommends going through the process to get it.
Not a simple process to go through. This is being done by people who are playing by the rules. They are following the law in order to make these changes.
In a statement, the ACLU of Texas points out that state agencies can't ignore court orders, nor is DPS allowed to collect or share people's personal information for political aim. While there are no legal challenges yet, Hall believes the policy is destined to fail.
They're going around the people of Texas in order to enact these high-stakes, harmful policies.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.